In this video, we're going to find the volume of a rectangular solid. A rectangular solid is kind of what we think of as a box shape. So it has all square right angles on all the corners, and it would be something like the shape of a tissue box. So when we have a rectangular solid, we have three different measurements we can look at. We're going to have, if you look at the top, there'll be a length, and there'll be a width. But now we're in three dimensions going up and down, so there's also going to be a height. So when we're talking about volume, we're talking about taking this shape and filling it up with little cubes. And the size of the cubes depends on what we're measuring the shape with. So let's say we're measuring this particular shape with inches. And I said it was 5 inches for the length, and 3 inches for the width, and 2 inches for the height. So since I'm doing inches, what I would be saying is I have little cubes, like dice, maybe cubes that are all 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch, and I was putting those inside this box to try to fill it up. And so I had all these cubes in the box filling it up. So how many cubes fit inside is what the volume is. So for a rectangular solid, the volume is always the length times the width times the height. So for this particular solid, it would be 5 times 3 times 2. And I can put that into my calculator and get out 30. The units would be, in this case, inches cubed, because now we're talking about little cubes. Or we could say 30 cubic inches. So we're saying that if I had these 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch cubes and had a box that was 5 inches by 3 inches by 2 inches, it would take 30 of those cubes to fill it up. That is the volume.